Hello, I know, don't judge me. I know I haven't posted like in a very long time because editing YouTube videos takes so much time and I'm very lazy sometimes. Okay, so let's get to the point. Why I'm putting this video very beginning is because this is me in Kochi. This is my new room and I love it. And the video you're about to see is me in October, last October, and it's me before shifting. So before shifting, we decided to go for this crazy shopping in IKEA, and this is why I said you will like it, because we are shopping. Like, we are shopping 3-4 trolleys of things, and you will love it. So yeah, I'll try my best to be consistent, but I think you will love this. So stay tuned, watch it till the end. You will love it. Yes, that's how my room looked throughout the shifting period. It was crazy, but let's get to the fun part, because this vlog is going to be super fun because we end up buying things for 18k. And as you see, I have put zero efforts in dressing up for this vlog because I was just so tired. And first of all, it's a long journey, like 44 minutes from my place to IKEA, and within this Bangalore traffic, oh god. I mean, people find 44 minutes very less sometimes, but for me that's like I could go for a good sleep. You know, every time I come to IKEA, be it with my friends, be it with my family, it's like a trip, like a trip that I never get bored of. I love being in IKEA. I just love seeing the same things over and over again. I just love, especially the food. So the first thing we came to IKEA and did was go to the cafeteria section and have food, because one, the food there is amazing, and two, we were starving because we didn't have dinner. So dinner is done. Now let's get to work. Now this is the exciting part, because I'm going to be picking anything and everything that I find cute. So I'm here for the week, and since it's not the weekend, there is no rush. Like, basically this whole store is empty. So I'm a little shy, so I don't think I can keep speaking and filming together, but we'll see. Going to the lowest section and getting things, because it's my money and I don't want to like waste it at this moment. So yeah, $4.99
449 for a lamp, table lamp. Announced that it's only going to be open for another hour, so we have to make it like really fast. I came back all the way to the bathroom section to get. So I just reached back from IKEA. It's 12 o'clock and it was such a crazy day. It was crazy shopping because I don't know when we are going to come back to IKEA anytime soon. So we just did a lot of shopping. And tomorrow movers and packers are going to come and it's going to be hectic for the next 2-3 days. So I don't know when I'll be posting this, but hopefully by the time I post this, I would have settled down, inshallah. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye-bye.